Okay, got another box to unbox. This is from Reddit user. Oh, I am so sorry if I butchered this. Well, I gotta think through this in my brain before I say it out loud. EvilEtienne? EvilEtienne. That's what I'm gonna go with. Yeah, you can find them on Reddit. They sell this stuff. They do rock hounding. I forget where. Again, I cover up all the addresses. I would check, but oopsie, my bad. But they do rock hounding, and they find a lot of really cool rocks. So if you're looking to get into like some of the stonework, or you do what is it, lapidary, something. If you do that sort of stuff, where you make jewelry and you do cabbing and whatnot, they sell Jasper and stuff, which is what this is. This is a big old box of Jasper, mystery Jasper. I've never used Jasper before, and this is stuff that I've never used before. So this is going to be a journey. So we're going to go on this journey together. Hopefully it's not going to be too crazy of a ride, but I am going to get to opening this up because I want to see this. I've been waiting. I've been forcing myself to wait. I was like, I can't open it before I do a video, because if I do that, then I won't make a video, and I just won't. I don't know. I gotta do a video. I gotta do a video because it's cool. Oh, this dang phone boom arm. Hold on. Camera adjustment. There we go. This is a good angle right here. I like this. I'm also not gonna try. Well, maybe I shouldn't say that. I'm not gonna try and work some of this, because I definitely am gonna try. But yeah. Let's see. I'm really curious to see. These are nice bags. See, I'm from the Midwest, and when you send a Midwestern boy some thick bags like this is like, this ain't dog poo bags. This is like the waste basket that you fill up, and then instead of taking the bag out, you dump it, because this bag will stay intact. So thank you so much for these bags. I will genuinely use them. This is just an extra bonus for me, so very nice, very fantastic. Oh, there's so many. Ooh, okay. I'm talking about the bag, not the rock in there, by the way. I'm kidding. I'm completely kidding. But yeah. Ooh. What's all this? Oh my goodness. What do we got here? Ooh. Whoa. That is nuts. Wow. That is quite the piece. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that thing. I also apologize for any modularity in my voice. I'm looking up and down at a camera, trying to make sure that everything's in focus so y'all can witness the majesty of this rock. And that's the first one. This is full of them. Oh my goodness. I'm stoked. I'm hyped. After John's package, which I just got done doing, I'm hyped. And now I get to open this one as well. Yo, it's crackly, but oh my goodness. Wow. The camera does not do it justice. It is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, I hope that I can make something out of this. I hope. I want to flake it. No, I shouldn't, but I want. Oh, I must. Oh. Actually, you know what? No. We're going to exercise a thing called self-control. We're going to save this for the end, when I can feel more comfortable about messing with it. So it's going to get set to the side. And we'll do a whole comprehensive big family. I want to open this big thing up. What's this? Ooh. That looks like an artifact and is going to be a dream to nap, because look how it moved through all those areas despite the voids. And this is soapy too. This is very soapy. I feel like I'm holding a bar of ivory in my hands right now. Wow, that's fun. I'll be able to make something super cool out of that, assuming it doesn't give me issues. That's fun. That's really fun too. Cool. Awesome. Fantastic. Ooh, there's more loose. I'll go through the loose rock first since there's no real use in hiding those. This seems to be the other half of the first one that I showed. Beautiful stuff. It's so smooth through there. I hope that means that it's good. Ooh, this stuff is rough. I swear I've seen like flint from Germany that looks like this, or like artifacts that were found in Germany that look like this. This is interesting stuff. This will be an interesting piece. I love that pattern though. I love that. My goodness. Fantastic. It's a shame I'm going to be breaking all these and turning them into actual dust. I paid for them. Let me do what I want. Oh, it's in here. No, we're open up the satchel. Let's see. Actually, that one's like very... No, I'm going to save that one because that one's very delicately wrapped. So it's got to be something good, right? Probably. Ooh, interesting, interesting. Looks crackly. Looks very crackly. That does not look very crackly. That could be very good. Ooh, yeah. I might have to heat treat this, maybe. Maybe. It depends on how well it works. Ooh, that's another really pretty picture. Sorry. I'm just thinking that I'm going to take pictures. I'm literally speaking like what I'm thinking ahead of myself. I'm going to take pictures of these, and it's going to look so beautiful. It's got green and like swirls to it. Wow. That is stupendous, I would say. Doing some reorganization here. Stand by. Be patient. No throwing things, no biting. Hold on. Ooh, this is gonna nap really well. Wow, look at the gloss on that. Holy moly. Oh man. Oh, I gotta save this. I gotta be in a mood for this one. Wow. This is the type of material I love. I love like the milky, kind of like pearlescent glossy, with some color to it. Oh my goodness. I am stoked for that piece. That is gonna be a special day piece. Special day piece. Ooh, whoa. So this is an extremely awkward piece, but this stuff in here, that could be real good. That could be really, really good. This piece might be cracked through, so I might keep that as a display piece, but regardless, fine with that. Ooh, this could be really interesting as well. Really, really interesting. It's got a lot of red and yellow to it. I won't really know until I start breaking into these bad boys and seeing what becomes of them. So, yeah. Got more. I think there's one more in here. Interesting. I think John's package in the previous video, I think his had an artifact that was made out of this stuff. I'm almost positive that he did. They're actually right here next to me. Let's see. I think that's the same stuff. It might be just a little bit different. But then again, that's very, very similar. Very nice. Very excited to break into that piece as well. Whee! Oh my goodness. Here we go. We're saving these. Hold on. Those are the pretty ones. Those might be just for me. Oh, these are slabs. Oh, these are slabs. I remember now. If I can get into it. Let me in. There we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Holy mackerel. Oh my goodness. Look at the green of the... Oh my goodness. Please. For the love of everything. Oh my word. Please work. Please work. Please. Oh, that's a big honking slab. Holy moly. I could probably still make something out of this. It's got some holes, but that's a nice thick slab. Fantastic. Oh, I can't wait to flake into this stuff. That's also really pretty. I think I see some cracks. Those are probably gonna stop me dead, but hey, if I can make a little point out of this stuff even, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's more. If you think this is it, this is the gift that keeps on giving. Oh my goodness. Yep, more pretty stuff. More super duper pretty stuff. Interesting. This is kind of like Buffalo River. I wonder if it's gonna need heat treat. But yeah, oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This one's way glossy. I enjoy that. I'm gonna enjoy that. Last flake bag. Uh-oh, I dropped my flake. Oh no. Did I say flake bag? Slab. Oh, hey. Oh yeah, some more of that real good red Jasper. I don't know if this is gonna do it, but I'm gonna try because I can't be stopped. And that could be a very pretty little piece. Ooh yeah, yeah, I like that. Very nice. I can't wait to see how this stuff works because it's beautiful. If it needs heat treatment, I'm not gonna be broken up about it. But yeah, and here, this stuff. You gotta get a load of some of these, like agates. It's not even gonna show it on video. What the heck? They're crackly, but my word, are they beautiful. And I might try to use some of them. I can't resist. But check those out. Yeah. Magnificent. And I have a whole thing of them. Ooh, there's some extra Jasper in there too. Very nice. Oh. This stuff is like, oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! I have no idea if that's gonna work, but you better believe I'm gonna try. That's like sandy. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna have to make a second video going through some of these, or at least going through them while I break some of them open. I'm not gonna do it to all of them because I'm not a monster, but very interesting. Some very interesting shapes. And I still want to try them. I think you can heat treat agate and it works pretty darn good. No idea what these types of agates treat to. I'm really excited to check that stuff out. It's like a cookie, like a delicious cookie. It's also really nice. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this stuff is fantastic. This is fantastic. Yeah, definitely check them out on Reddit. Again, they sell this stuff for like projects and whatnot, so hit them up. Ooh, a free hair for me, yay. They will sell them to you. I forget their rates, but they have, they took good pictures when I asked to see what I was picking from, and they were very straightforward and quick, so yeah, I recommend them. This is some fantastic stuff in here, and I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am to start messing with some of this unique material. This is gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be very fun. Yeah, here, let's get a thumbnail. I wanna get a good thumbnail. We gotta position it just right. Oh yeah, look at that stuff right there. Heck yeah. That's the good stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. We're going to be messing with some of this stuff, 100%. I can't even contain myself. But yeah. Stay tuned for that, guys.